Having served for 37 years in photographic industry, Zoom16 is a household name. And we always try to embrace technology, and with that concept in mind, we imported a very high state-of-the-art machine from HP, Indigo 5500, 7 years before. And with this machine, we can turn out wonderful and very meaningful collaterals in printing industry. And we always try to give the best services and product to our consumers. Well, friends, photography industry has changed a lot, both in technology and in aesthetics. Previously, we used to have a very high voluminous albums made of silver halide papers. And those albums with the size of 12 and 36 inches is so heavy, it often used to damage extensively with multiple use. And that's the reason we brought about lightweight album technology with this Indigo machine, which is lighter, it is more color vibrant and can last long to the extent of 100 years, and we extend guarantee for that. And today our lightweight album Zoom Viva is one of the most popular item among the consumer in wedding market. Entire processing of this lightweight album is a bit complex and critical in the sense that once this raw images are taken by the photographers and on site, at times there are a few discrepancies are found when these are processed on a monitor in terms of light corrections and many sound and all sort of things, which is normally is corrected on a monitor and with a very high-end software by which enter color corrections, and after that the entire designing of the album is done. Once the designing is done, it goes to the another section from where all the images frame by frame, after having a full color corrections and seeing all this in sync with the photographer's eyes, what he have seen, then it is now transferred to the machine for printing. When I said a machine, which means Indigo machine, and it goes to the Indigo machine, it prints, mind it is 6-color machine and with a high velocity. So once it goes in the Indigo machines, it turns out as per the images gone in, as the all the records has gone in, and after that it turns out a print. Once it turns out a print, it comes to the size of 12 by 18 sizes. All these prints are collected and goes in a different area where the lamination is done. First they see whether the colors are okay. That is the first check of the quality. From the machine, the first quality check, then it goes to lamination section where it is laminated on various surfaces, and it all depends upon the demand of the consumer. Somebody wants a glossy finish, somebody wants a matte finish, somebody wants a metallic finish. So many varieties of finishes are there. These are then finished on a high-speed laminator machine with a film. And once it is laminated, those are all taken and then size it up with the required sizes, and then it goes to the fabrication and binding. Again, my dear friend, Fabrication is also very critical. Fabrication means it's not a simple fabrications. It's fabrications, we have to look into the aesthetic part of the fabrication. So once the fabrication is done, and then it is bounded in a perfect machine, because the binding is much more important in the sense that we always give the guarantee of this machine, the strength of the albums to the extent of 50-60 years, despite of the fact it is handled in a different manner in different conditions. So once we have the fabrication and the binding, and then after that the final check of the quality is done. So in all this process takes around 45 to 50 minutes to turn out a single album of a high quality. And once it is done, it goes to packing and forwarding. But, my dear friends, we in Zoom used to give a warranty for each albums, and this warranty is very specific for any discrepancies post-production. When I say post-production, which means after taking the images, any discrepancies in terms of color corrections, in terms of fabrications, laminations, we stand guarantee for next 50 years. And that's why the customers believe in our product, Zoom Viva album.
পূর্বে মানে আগে যে অ্যালবামগুলো ছিল সেই অ্যালবাম তো অবশ্যই মেনটেন করার ক্ষেত্রে একটা বিষয় থাকতো, এবং সেই অ্যালবাম অনেক সময় দেখা যেত যে সেটা স্টিকি হয়ে যাচ্ছে বা নানা রকমের ফাঙ্গাস তৈরি হচ্ছে। তো এটার ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু সেই প্রবলেমটা একেবারেই না, কারণ 50 ইয়ার্স ওয়ারেন্টির ক্ষেত্রে ক্লায়েন্টদের জন্য এটা ভীষণই ভালো একটা ব্যাপার।
এটা খুব সুখবর আমার কাছে যে জুম এখন থেকে 50 বছরের ওয়ারেন্টি কার্ড দিচ্ছে। মানে একটা অ্যালবামের সঙ্গে যে একটা ওয়ারেন্টি, যেটা আর কি কোনো সমস্যা হলে জুম যে আফটার সেল সার্ভিস একটা রাখছে, এটা আমার কাছে বিশাল সুখবর।